Hi guys, so today's DIY is how to make your own homemade face mask to protect us from COVID-19. So we'll need 2 rubber bands and 1 handkerchief. Let's begin. Okay, so we need to fold it 4 times to make it like a smaller square. Like this. And then fold it to make it turn into a triangle. Make a small triangle over here with your finger and fold it in half. And then later, and now you need to measure it with your face to see if it's a perfect fit. Okay, the next step is the step where you need these rubber bands. Put it like this. And you see there's a pocket in here. So, this is where I'm going to slip it in like this. Okay, here. Then I'll do the same to the other one. Here. And then the last part, oopsies, this one got off. Okay. There. Then the last part, the last step is you need to put it on, go outside, and see if it works. Okay, right here. Just need to fit it in sideways and upward. Like this. Like this. There. It's perfect fit. Okay, for all of you, don't forget to stay safe and do social distancing and wash your hands with soap and water. See you on my next vlog. Bye!